So you are welcome to this lesson where we are looking at integration. This is a continuation of our first lesson, and specifically we are looking at function and its derivative. That is further integration. So function and its derivative, we shall look at examples, very many examples which will help you to understand the concept of the function and its derivative. So let us move straight away to example 1. We shall keep on adding one by one example such that we will remember the concept of integration and specifically further integration. So our example here says that find integral of x into brackets x squared plus 1. The x here we have squared the x. So we shall realize that when you differentiate this, we shall have x, which will help us to simplify the integral. So let us look at the solution. We shall let the function inside the bracket to be any other constant, so that can help us to simplify what we have inside. So we shall say let w be equals to x squared plus 1. So after that, we shall be tasked to differentiate the w dx is going to give us 2x. So now from there we can make the x the subject, it will give us the w over 2x. We have just made it the subject. Now from there we realize that our function here is integral of this plus 1 but squared the x. So we are going to substitute so that we can simplify our work. Now substituting here, we shall have integral of x times what is in the bracket is now w squared times the x here. We are going to substitute with this function to give us the w over 2x. So after that, we shall realize that this and this will cancel. So we shall have 1 over 2 integral of w squared the w. So let us move to our next page. We shall have integral of x into brackets x squared plus 1 but squared the x. All this one is going to be equal to, so we have realized that in our function here we are remaining with the w squared only, which can be now integrated using the normal formula of integration. So we shall have a half into brackets 1 over 3 w power 3, then plus shall add plus a constant of integration. So we shall have 1 over 6, because this time is this, w cubed plus c. We shall continue by getting 1 over 6. We know what w is. W is this function here. W is this function which we have here. That is w. That is the function. So we shall have x squared plus 1 but cubed plus constant of integration. So we are almost come up with our final solution. We can conclude by saying integral of this function here plus 1 but all of it squared equals to now 1 over 6 into brackets x squared plus 1 but cubed plus c. So that will be our solution for our integral. Thank you so much for listening. We shall come back with example 2 is the next example. Stay tuned. Let us first move for a commercial break, then we shall come back for example 2. Thank you so much for watching.